Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to save and export presentation on Tome AI. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Tome, click on the Continue with Google option, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, saving and exporting presentations here in Tome AI is very easy. All I have to do is follow these general steps based on the presentation software functionality. Okay, so number one is, okay, so I'm gonna start from scratch, and what I would do is create or choose a template from the list of the available documents that you can see here on your Tome platform. All right, so for now I'll probably use this one. Okay, just click on use template. Just wait for it a little bit, and then after that, once it's loaded, okay, so I'm gonna put some more information here. Okay, so that, and then after that I'm gonna put more information right here. Okay, now for us to be able to save and export presentation in Tome is really easy. All I have to do is not share, right? Because share is a different one. What you need to do is click on the three ellipses option here, the three dots icon on the upper right corner, click on it and click on the export to PDF. What will happen is you would be able to export the presentations, but please keep in mind that it requires a pro subscription. Okay, and you can also add logo if you wanted. But after that, after saving it, basically you would be able to save and export your presentation easily here in Tome AI. Now, when you click on the PDF, Tome to Pro, this is the perks and benefits that you can take. You can easily export anything you make and more. You can have an access to AI generation and design, unlimited creation for Tomes left. All right, remove Tome branding because there's going to be a small watermark when you export PDF here for basic or free account. You can also have a custom logo and fonts. You also, of course, you have an access to engagement analytics, and the best thing is you can export it to PDF. And if you wanted to get Tome Pro, all I have to do is click on the button here. And after that, it's a very straightforward process because you can pay with Google Pay. You can pay with these platforms for Visa, American Express, and a lot more. And once you're happy with that, all I have to do is click on checkout, and you would be able to export and save presentations in Tome AI without any problem. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.